Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we're going to be making the buttery nipple. It is a layered shot. I was trying to make this before, but I realized I couldn't remember if this was a layered shot or not. So we have our lovely 2-shot glass here, and the only ingredients that we need are a Butterscotch Schnapps, or you could use butter shots. I have both, but I'm going to use the Butterscotch Schnapps instead. And then we have Irish cream, which is, you can use Bailey's, you can use Ryan's, whatever works. This is all I can find. We used to have a lot of Bailey's. I can't find Bailey's. Bailey's doesn't exist anymore, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and make this shot. We need a full ounce of butter shots. Say Butterscotch Schnapps, which it is a Butterscotch Schnapps. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be colored in a way. It's like this is supposed to be brown, but for some reason it's clear. Whatever, it's fine. Everything's fine. And then we're gonna attempt to layer on this lovely. You know what? Actually, before I do that, let me just do myself a favor and put about half an ounce of Bailey's in this glass that I nearly fucking spilled, and go from there. Pour it in nice and slow. I'm not really paying attention to it. I'm hoping I'm doing it right. Fuck no, I didn't. Well, it was supposed to be a layered shot. I'm just stupid, so here we are. Yeah, Bailey's is a much denser than... Well, yeah, Bailey's is denser, so it probably would sink to the bottom if I did actually do it correctly. If I didn't do it correctly. Which I didn't. But, it is what it is. Supposedly you're supposed to taste the Irish cream before you reach the butter shots, but I guess we're reaching the butter shots first and then tasting the Irish cream. Fuck if I know. Anyways, I tried, I failed, but you know what? Cheers. Ooh, that is so good. Butter shots is definitely strong, but with Irish cream it makes it so much creamy. Oh my god, that is so good. I could have another one of those. I know I shouldn't, but I really could have another one of these. Would recommend. Give it a try. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We also now have a Discord, link down in the description. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.